Imagine, in less than 3 decades, India will need land of the size of Delhi just to get rid of the waste it generates. That is the extent of burden excessive waste creates. By 2047, waste generation will be 260 million tons per year. Over 8 million tons per year of hazardous waste is generated in India, and about 60% of these wastes only are recyclable and the remaining 40% is non-recyclable. The last 50 years has seen major leaps in industrial production. According to experts, the last 50 years has produced as much was produced in the last 19 centuries. This clearly has had an impact on the environment, but conscious efforts by companies across the world has helped to keep the damage within limits. Essar's group companies are conscious of its responsibilities towards the environment, and they put in a significant focus on better waste management and protection of biodiversity. Essar cautiously operates in the environment it is present in without disturbing nature.
See, sustainability has, it's in 3 parts. One is economic sustainability, one is social sustainability, and the third is sustainability on account of HSE, health, safety and environment. For any business organization, it is extremely important that we focus on all these 3.
At Essar, initiatives are being undertaken to manage disposal of hazardous and non-hazardous waste matter, be it solid, liquid or gaseous. Essarites have constantly innovated greener methods to keep the environment clean and healthy by adopting suitable measures to discard waste and byproducts. Waste management is the collection, transportation, processing, disposal and managing and monitoring of waste materials. The process is generally undertaken to reduce their effect on health, the environment or aesthetics and general hygiene of the surroundings. Essar Steel makes efficient use of water, which is actually a waste product from the Essar Power's plant located in Hazira Steel facility. The effluent water before disposal by Essar Power is treated. Essar Steel's engineers conducted several experiments to check if this wastewater was in some way usable at the steel plant. With the experiments being successful, this wastewater is used at the hot briquetted iron plant in the cooling system. This in-house innovative method of recycling helps both companies to preserve one of nature's most important resource, water, and manage and reuse of waste effectively.
As of now, we are doing our waste to the 100% utilization. I will divide the waste into 4 categories rather. One is iron bearing waste, second is slag and third is hazardous waste. Iron bearing waste comprises of fines and sludge. Fines we are completely using in our sinter plant. Sludges, we have developed the innovative technology which is called micropelletization. We are doing micropelletization and that micropellets we are again feeding to the sinter plant. And as a result, sinter plant has to procure less amount of iron ore because of this waste utilization. See, this waste utilization in the today's scenario, because everywhere the resources required for the steel manufacturing is very scarce and it's a resource constraint kind of a stage. In this stage, resource utilization, waste utilization is a very, very important aspect.
All such initiatives undertaken by Essar Steel are worthy of recognition, and the company has bagged an award for Innovative Environment Project at the CII Environment Best Practices Awards. Another way of looking at things is that proper utilization of limited resources and saving natural resources will eventually lead to efficient waste management too. At Essar Steel, water consumption is very low and efforts are put in to undertake rainwater harvesting and recycling. Essar Steel gives its employees the chance, budget and time to experiment and innovate and come up with better ways to be a green company that cares.